Was that a revelation? Let's hope that this does not happen to one of us. Yes, these are freak accidents that can lead to blindness. Absolutely avoidable. The tuna powder that is used along with betel leaves, sold wrapped in flimsy polythene packets in petty shops, is the most notorious to cause chemical injuries, and unfortunately it's children who are most predominantly affected. The same goes with toilet cleaning acids that are the leading cause of chemical injuries at households. Close to 45 school-going children between the ages of 3 and 15 were operated in a span of just 6 months at Shankar Nethralaya, and the single common underlying statement from every parent was their absolute non-awareness of the potential dangers of these chemicals to the eye. The reparative process in these patients is extremely prolonged. The expenses incurred in these kind of procedures, as well as the multiple surgeries that are required prior to these final interventions, can indeed take a toll on the individual, the family, the society, and the entire healthcare system at large. We all know that prevention is better than cure. Please do spread the word, because an accident averted is an eye saved. So what is it that we could do? If you're a victim, if you're the next of kin, or if you're a bystander at the site of the accident, what is most crucial is that the eye is washed with a lot of water. The victim is immediately shifted to the nearest healthcare center to provide with first aid. If you are an NGO or a social organization, the areas of your focus would be to educate the masses about the dangers of these chemicals and the possibility of injuries to the eye, as well as means to prevent these injuries through your public outreach programs, and most importantly, donate generously and help raise funds which can be utilized by the entire ophthalmic healthcare system to provide the best possible treatment to these victims across all strata of society. Let each one of us come forward and do our little bit towards this cause.